Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Efya. Today's video is different, exciting, and honestly a little bit of work. But trust me, the result is everything. We are making 100% organic avocado oil from scratch, starting right from the tree all the way to extraction. No machines, no chemicals, just pure natural goodness. If you love healthy living and homemade recipes, then you don't want to miss this one. So let's get started. I started by plucking the avocado straight from the tree, and as you can see, everything is very fresh and completely organic. These are not processed, no chemicals, no preservative, just natural avocados from the source. And that already tells you that the oil we are about to make is going to be very pure and very healthy. Now here I have about 8 organic avocados, and at this stage they are still a bit firm. So what I'm going to do is to store them for about 3 days to allow them to fully ripen and soften naturally. You don't want to rush this process because the softer the avocado, the easier is it to extract more oil. So after about 3 to 4 days, this is what we have. You can see the avocados now. They are very soft, perfectly ripe, but not spoiled. This is exactly what we are looking for. They should press easily when you touch them, but still have a fresh smell. If it's too rotten, it will affect the quality of your oil, so this stage is very important. Next, I'm going to add enough water and begin to wash the avocados thoroughly. Make sure you wash them one after the other, removing any dirt, sand, or impurities from the skin. Even though we won't use the skin, proper washing is very important to keep everything clean and hygienic throughout the process. Now I'm going to crack them open and remove the seed. After that, I'll remove the avocado flesh and also place it on the clean tray. Just take your time and repeat the same process until all the avocados are opened and ready. So cleanliness is key here. So make sure your tray is properly washed and dry. After that, I'm going in with my hands to mash everything together. But before that, I want to also use this opportunity to welcome all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Alright, so now I'm going in with my hands to mash everything together. You can also use potato masher, wooden masher, or any other thing that you have, and you are good to go. For today, I'm going to be using my hands. Yes, we are doing it the traditional way, using our hands. Mash it well until it becomes smooth and creamy with no big lumps left. Okay, the smoother your mixture, the easier it will be for the oil to form later. Now this right here, this is the perfect consistency I'm looking for. A smooth, well combined, and ready for the next stage. Since it's quite a lot on the tray, I'll scoop some onto another tray to make it easier to handle. Now it's time to sun dry the avocado paste. Make sure to cover it with a clean net or mesh to prevent dust, insects, and flies from getting into it. It's very important. Yes, this step is very important because we are using natural sunlight to slowly bring out the oil. Now this is day 2, and as you can see, the avocado is beginning to turn dark, almost black. Yes, don't worry, this is completely normal. It doesn't mean a spot. It's just part of the natural drying and oil extraction process. At this stage, give everything a good stir, mix it well, and then place it back under the sun again for another 2 to 3 days. But before that, let's transfer everything onto one tray, because as you can see, it has reduced in size, so combining it makes it easier to manage and dry evenly. Now this is day 5, and look at the transformation. It's now very dark, almost fully black, and you can see the oil starting to form and coming together beautifully. This is exactly what we want. Go ahead and stir everything again, then return it to the sun for the final drying stage to get the best results. Now this is day 7, and honestly the results are just perfect. We now have enough oil developed within the mixture, and it's finally time to extract it.
Cooking with Efya, come and see. Cooking with
Now here comes the hard work, squeezing out the oil. Charlie, it's not easy, but don't give up, okay? Just trust the process. Take your time and squeeze it well. You can use a clean lace cloth, just the way you are seeing on your screen, or any strainer of your choice, and you are good to go.
taste the joy in every bite. Cooking with Efya feels so right.
So we're going to repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. As I said, take your time here so you get the best results. Okay, this is pure organic avocado oil. Do trust the process and you are going to love it. And I know you are enjoying the video, so if you haven't still like this video, what are you waiting for? Kindly do give this video a thumbs up, and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so that they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much. So you can do whatever you want to do with the chop. It's still very useful. You can also keep it for the next day and re-extract the oil again. So I'm going to strain the oil in a strainer for the second time to get a very smooth consistency, and this is what I have. Very perfect. And there you have it, a pure homemade avocado oil made natural way from start to finish. No chemicals, no shortcut, just patience, sunshine, and good organic avocados. The key word here is good organic avocados. Trust me, you're going to love it. You can see the color, the richness. This is quality oil, and trust me, the effort is truly worth it. You can use this oil for cooking, frying, skincare, hair growth. It's healthy, versatile, and completely natural. And let me know in the comments, will you try this method at home? Until next time, keep cooking and stay natural. Bye.